In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Midjourney subscription. First, open your browser and go to midjourney.com. Make sure you're on the official website and, if prompted, sign in so your account details load correctly. You'll typically land on the Explore or Account area. This is where you can browse, but for subscriptions, we'll head to your account controls. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen for My Account. Next to it, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open a quick menu of additional options. This menu is the easiest way to reach the subscription controls without digging through multiple pages. From that menu, click Manage Subscription. This takes you to the account section where all your plan and billing options live. If you're already in the account view, you may see Manage Subscription again on the page. Click it once more to open the dedicated subscription panel. Don't worry if it feels repetitive. This simply ensures you're in the correct place to select or change a plan. Now you'll see the plan options. Here's what each one generally represents so you can choose confidently. The basic plan is a great starting point if you're new to Midjourney or only need occasional generations. It's the most budget-friendly option and lets you get comfortable with the tools. The standard plan is ideal if you create regularly and want more flexibility and capacity than basic without going all the way up the stack. If you're a power user, producing a lot of images or working on bigger projects, the Pro plan adds higher limits and extra features to keep your workflow smooth. And for the highest capacity, the Mega plan is designed for heavy production needs, larger teams, or anyone who wants maximum headroom and fewer constraints. Take a moment to compare what each plan includes on the page you're viewing. Features and pricing can evolve, so rely on the descriptions shown to you. If there's a toggle for monthly versus annual billing, choose the option that fits your budget and how long you plan to use the service. When you're ready, select the plan that best aligns with your needs. After selecting your plan, you'll be guided through the checkout. Review the summary carefully, confirm your details, and complete the purchase. Once your subscription is active, you can return to the same managed subscription area anytime to upgrade, downgrade, or review your billing. That's it. You've successfully purchased a Midjourney subscription. Enjoy creating.